My name is Abdul Sattar Mukhtar Abu Bakr. I have graduated in Mogadishu University and also Somali University, and currently I am a Master of Project Management. I am so honored and grateful to be here today so as to celebrate my success of professional certificate, especially project management for development sector. I would like to thank SIDCO, who played a very important role for providing us this opportunity. Really, it's very grateful to prepare here in Somalia without going abroad to prepare a professional certificate here. It was a great opportunity, and without them, it was not possible for that opportunity. So I thank them. Really, it's very difficult and hard to pass this exam. I have spent a lot of time to read the guideline, to make the tests, and lastly, I have succeeded for getting this professional certificate. I'm very happy, and I wish the other groups also to be certified in this field. I'm ready to continue for developing myself and my background of this field in project management. As I have mentioned, I have a background now, a master degree of project management, and I want to develop my capability in project management. So I'm very happy, and I want to thank everyone who participated and helped me to reach this or to realize this goal. I also repeat to thank SIDCO, especially Mr. Abdirahim, the instructor, who really spent a lot of time to help us, to guide us. So they spent a lot of time to help us so as to get this opportunity while we are here in our country in Somalia. So I thank them, and I wish to continue for this struggle. Thank you.